Did you know that gram for gram, beef liver contains more nutrients than any other food on earth? Yes, I do know that taste can be a challenge for some of us. That's why our Love Your Gut beef liver capsules are a must-have in your diet. You cannot taste them. They are also free from GMO, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides. They are gluten and dairy free as well and have no hormones in them. And did I also mention that they have no antibiotics? We are really proud of our organic beef liver capsules. They're Australian grass-fed and finished, and they are sourced by me, Lee Holmes, clinical nutritionist. They are so easy for your tummy to digest, and some of the main ingredient benefits and nutritional benefits to these beef liver capsules are they're going to give you a source of B12, vitamin A, and also iron for energy. And iron, as we know, is so important for healthy red blood cell production. So how would you take them? Well, I generally take 2 capsules a day just before my meals, twice a day. So that's 4 capsules in total. I also love to pop them into a smoothie. I open them up and put them into a smoothie, and you cannot taste them at all. Here are all the key nutrients that are contained in beef liver. Fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, B group vitamins including B12, bioavailable iron, folate, choline, hyaluronic acid, trace minerals including copper, zinc, and chromium, and CoQ10, a nutrient of particular importance to the cardiovascular system and a renowned energy booster.